Hello everyone, and welcome back to Master. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a crucial aspect of the job application process, crafting a standout resume using Microsoft Word. Whether you're a recent graduate entering the job market or a seasoned professional looking to refresh your CV, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of creating a polished and professional resume. So, grab your computer, open up Microsoft Word, and let's get started on building a resume that will grab the attention of employers and help you land that dream job. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let's jump right in. Creating a resume in Microsoft Word is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a professional-looking resume. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word. Launch Microsoft Word on your computer. Step 2. Select a resume template. Go to the File menu. Click on New and type Resume in the search bar. Browse through the available templates and choose one that fits your style and the job you're applying for. Click on the template to open it. Step 3. Fill in your contact information. Locate the section for personal details, usually at the top of the template. Replace the placeholder text with your name, address, phone number, and email address. Step 4. Add a professional summary or objective. Identify the section for a professional summary or objective statement. Write a brief statement summarizing your career goals, skills, and relevant experience. Step 5. Enter your work experience. Find the section dedicated to work experience. Input your previous jobs, starting with the most recent. Include details such as the company name, job title, dates of employment, and a concise description of your responsibilities and achievements. Step 6. Include your education. Locate the section for educational background. Enter information about the institutions you attended, degrees obtained, and graduation dates. Step 7. List your skills. Add a skills section and categorize them, such as technical skills, soft skills, and language proficiency. Tailor the skills to match the requirements of the job you're applying for. Step 8. Customize and format. Customize the font, colors, and formatting to create a professional and visually appealing resume. Ensure the resume is easy to read and looks well organized. Step 9. Add additional sections, optional. Consider including additional sections such as certifications, awards, publications, or volunteer experience. Include only what is relevant to the job you're seeking. Step 10. Proofread. Thoroughly proofread your resume for spelling and grammatical errors. Check for consistency in formatting and ensure all information is accurate. Step 11. Save your resume. Save your document to your computer. Save it as a .docs file for easy sharing in future edits. Step 12. Export or print. If you need a digital copy, export the resume as a PDF. For a hard copy, print the resume directly from Microsoft Word. Congratulations! You've successfully created a professional resume. Remember to tailor it for each job application by highlighting relevant skills and experiences. Good luck with your job search. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of creating an impressive resume using Microsoft Word. Remember, your resume is your personal marketing tool, so take the time to tailor it to each job application. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might benefit, and subscribe for more valuable content. If you have any questions or if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, let me know in the comments below. Best of luck in your job search, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.